Hi everyone, welcome back to 2D Design on the computer. Today we're going to go over how to create a new file in Adobe Photoshop. It may look similar to how to create a new document in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, let's get started. Our first way is to go to File, New. Here you will see a dialog box with a new document and presets and attributes that you can set. So this is one way. The second way is Create New. Once we click on that, we can see the same box appears. This is the second way. The third way is to hit on your keyboard Command N, or for PCs, Control N. This is the third way to open up a new document in Adobe Photoshop. Create a new document in Adobe Photoshop. Alright, so we're going to go to the print version, and we're just going to select right now 8.5 by 11 inches. This is a preset. Here you can rename your document. I'm just going to write new. You can choose between pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, and pixels. Here, normally for Adobe Photoshop, we want to be in either inches or pixels. Since this is a raster program, we will be working more with pixels and inches. Here, again, you can change the width and the height of your document. You can also change the orientation, the resolution. Here, for the color mode, we're going to go with RGB color. We can go with either 8-bit or 16-bit. If you're editing a file, I would recommend to go with 16-bit rather than 8-bit because it's larger. For background, I would recommend to go to transparent, as this will give you a base to start with, and you can create another background that is white. Here we're going to go to RGB sRGB. This is more for a web version. And we're going to go to Create. As you can see here, our document has a checkerboard look on it. This means that it is a transparent background as of right now. To add a white background, we're going to simply go to File, we're going to go to Layer, New, Layer. And it is going to say Layer 2. Here we again have another transparent background, but we can go to the Paint Bucket tool. We can set our color to white, and now we have a white background. This way works best because if you would like to change your document to a PNG, it is very easy to turn this on and off and have a transparent background. This wraps up the beginning of 3 ways to create a new document in Adobe Photoshop.